Hey everyone, welcome to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunities for freshers. So without wasting your time, let's move to the jobs. First we have from Unano Enterprises AI search. The role is providing by the Unano is React developer. Let's discuss what responsibility you will take on this role. Develop and maintain highly responsive user interface using React. In line with that, you will collaborate with designer and engineer to translate product vision, and you will optimize code for performance and scalability. Following these, another key responsibility contribute to the development of reusable component and stay up to date with latest React technology. Let's talk about the key responsibility for this role. Proficient in React and related libraries. Moving on to the next responsibility, solid understanding of JavaScript fundamentals, experience with HTML, CSS, and you will also familiar with testing framework, ability to work independently. Good to have to experience in typescripting, Node.js, and CI/CD pipelines. And in the additional information, the job location will be Pan India and no prior experience required. So are you interested in that? You get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. Now the second hiring coming from Brainstorm. The role is web developer for entry level. This is remote job. Let's talk about the requirements. You are passionate for the programming and good understanding of OOPS and MVC concepts. Another critical aspect to consider is familiarity with web development and good problem solving skills, ability to work in remote and distributed environment. Here is the note point. You must have passion for programming and strong understanding of fundamental web development concept. Let's talk about the education and experience. You have a bachelor degree in computer science and engineering or a related field. If this role is fruitful for you, you get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. And third hiring coming from Izeon Innovation Pvt Ltd. The role is Spring Boot developer. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate. Design, develop and maintain Spring Boot applications. In line with that, you will collaborate with cross-functional team to define design, and following these, another key responsibility, implement and maintain security best practices, and you will also handle troubleshoot and debug application issue. And here are the requirements: proven experience as a Spring Boot developer, and good to have a strong understanding of Java and Spring Boot framework. Moving on to the next requirement, experience with RESTful API and familiarity with relational database, example MySQL. In addition, experience with version control system and strong problem solving skills. And here is the bonus point, good to have experience in AWS, Docker and CI/CD pipeline. Let's move to the next job. This is also from Izeon Innovation Pvt Ltd. The role is React Native Developer, and the interview round is start from 2 January 2025 to 27 January 2025. Here is it. And now move to the responsibilities of the candidate. Develop and maintain high quality native mobile application using React Native. In line with that, you will collaborate with designer and product manager. Another related requirement here is optimize application performance for various devices and network conditions, and you will also handle bugs. Moreover, this role stay up to date with latest React Native technology and best practices. And let's talk about the requirements for this role. Proven experience as React Native developer, and you have to strong understanding of JavaScript, React and React Native. Similarly, you will also have experience with native iOS and Android development is a plus point, and familiar with Redux or other state management, experience with API integration. And here is the bonus point, good to have experience in TypeScript, CI/CD pipeline, mobile testing framework and AWS. So that's it for today's video. You get the link of all the hirings in the description box. Just go and apply. Bye bye. Best of luck.